Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Welcome back to my studio here in Los Angeles. We're doing rowings 5 and 6, also known as shape and hug. These are excellent exercises to start your rowing practice. So if you have never rowed before, these are the ones to start with. If you've been rowing for a while, this is what you finish with. It's kind of how Pilates goes. So you sit cross-legged, and you're really trying to press your knees down or knees apart, because you'll feel as this external rotation happening. You need this. The more you can ground down through your legs, the more you can lift up out of your hips, right? So you have a really tall back. We've got one spring on, and your hands are touching the whole handle here, and you're going to reach your arms forward and take them behind your head. Now, your goal someday is to start way down here. That's not where I can start. It's not where a lot of people can start, but you do want to someday have the strength and flexibility to get your hands to the base of your neck, and then you press your arms forward and up, and you try to keep your knees down. You saw how my knees wanted to lift up when I pressed because it got really hard. And then you're pulling your hands back down. So the elbows stay wide. It's not a tricep press. It's really like a lat pull down, if you were thinking of something at the gym. And your back is getting wider each time. So you try to not lean too far forward. I'm leaning forward right now, but someday we're all going to be so awesome and sit straight up and push it up, right? And if that's going really well, you can also do this as a single arm exercise. Just have the arms bent and then do one arm. That's a really good challenge. Then you press up, you switch the cross of your legs. You try to do it on your own, so that's really going to help you practice for the crab on the mat. You keep your whole hand touching the handle, and you reach your arms forward, and you open your arms up. And your shoulder blades are not trying to crack walnuts back there. You're actually trying to pull your arms open from your back and wrap your back muscles around from your front. So on a serratus, latissimus dorsi, right? You're getting a whole upper back exercise happening. So now I'm going to show you both these exercises, and you can play the tips I just gave you in your head and see how I'm doing, see how you would do it. Right, so I hope you enjoyed those tutorials, and I would love for you to join us in our online Pilates classes. We have reformer classes now, and I like to use shave and hug often because it really does help you warm up the back. It is an exercise you're ready for sooner than you think. It really helps you incorporate the whole body. So check it out. Try this out on your own. Remember, one spring, pretty heavy, and then let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Thank you so much for watching.